All right, to be honest, the moment I saw the truck, I was like, I gotta get on the top of this thing.
Well, do you have a hard hat for him? Just kidding. Watch this, look at it.
Oh my gosh.
Outstanding with Wakefield.
Hi, I'm Tony with Wakefield Biochar, and on this episode of Outstanding with Wakefield, I'm outstanding on a beach. I'm in Sarasota, Florida to meet with Hydrograss Technologies and Bob Arello to learn about erosion control. Are you all ready? Let's talk about biochar. I'm going into Hydrograss Technologies to talk to Bob Arello about biochar. We're just going to see how biochar works for him. Oh, that's great. This is going to be great. I really appreciate it.
Hi, I'm Bob Arello, owner of Hydrograss Technologies here in Sarasota, Florida. Welcome to my palace.
Absolutely excited to meet Bob Arello today with Hydrograss. We've been partners for a couple years and I've talked to him multiple times. But to see his company was beyond what I expected.
Actually, my dad's here now. See him in the background.
There you
Right. This is Bob Arello Sr.
He is a world champion shot putter. He has this amazing workout room in his office. I don't know.
It works your upper body.
Fantastic experience.
The soil erosion business started to bloom. You know, soil stabilization. So how do you control soils? Hydroseeding was not on the minds of many people to control soil erosion.
Okay.
So what we were doing is trying to look at some of those pieces is how do we control erosion with the application? What kind of products that would bind soils up, preventing from washing off, and preventing the seed from migrating into different areas.
Fair to say that ultimately you want the roots of the grass to start to hold that soil together.
That's correct, that's correct.
Do you ever work with the issue of like fertilizer runoff and other chemicals because the soil doesn't trap
Oh,
it?
yeah. So a lot of, there's a lot of eutrophication occurs, from nitrogen runoff and phosphorus in water bodies, right? That's where you get algae blooms and buildup, and that's what a lot of these chemicals will do, these flocculants and biochar even, because it'll trap the fertilizers from escaping. Once they get bound by a chemical bond tied to a particulate,
Right.
they're not going to expand. Same with heavy metals. Heavy metals can go downstream, but once you bind it, it's secure.
It's locked down.
Mercury, zinc, any of those.
And that is a function of biochar we found, and that's
Correct.
where we've done research with all kinds of heavy metals and even the radioactive isotopes that those heavier molecules, they are locked into those inner pores of biochar, but they're not released back out, and that's part of that remediation.
Yeah, you want to? Hey, he's going to move to Kenworth right here. We're going to do a nice video around there. Thanks, Jeff. Biochar floats because the pores in it. So you've got to, how do you stabilize that, right? And you can use the mulches, and you could use straw mulch, or you could something to tack it down and hold it in place.
Yeah.
That's the key.
You typically
you want to go up
operate
with
one of these, or?
Oh yeah, I've been on.
Okay. Can I join you up there?
Sure, after here, I can
Go ahead.
spray in that area.
I'm going to stretch out. I'm going to get ready. All right, to be honest, the moment I saw the truck, I was like, I got to get on the top of this thing. You okay if I come up?
Yeah, come on, go ahead up. Do you have a hard hat for him? Just kidding.
The only thing that would have been better is if Jeff would have let me shoot the cannon. I kind of wanted to do that.
You always want to get your distribution right based on how much seed you're putting down. You didn't even have it up full throttle.
That
was a quarter.
That was a quarter throttle.
If you know of any outstanding uses or users of biochar, let us know through our website, Wakefield Biochar. We might feature them in an upcoming episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next Outstanding with Wakefield.
This is considered the Hydrograss Throw Center. So if you actually Googled it, you'll come up, it'll show it on Google. We have actually meets here like once a month. We have young kids, we have masters. I have a coach that comes in, he'll be in today from local high schools. I let him use this at no charge.